Cameron Manufacturing's a great place to work.
The stuff we make, people use every day worldwide.
All of our products are so unique. I am amazed at what Cameron can build.
Talking to people on the floor, they're very prideful of what they do. They want it to go out right.
Quality, number one.
We try to produce the best products we can for our customer. It shows in the value of our company.
One thing I'll say about Cameron is they're always looking for the better way. They never want to stop growing.
Cameron Manufacturing is a custom fabrication machine shop, and we have engineering services as well as installation services. The company started as a small family-owned fabrication shop with a handful of employees. Over the years, it's grown. We are a world-class manufacturer. Everything we do is custom. I want our customers to see Cameron as a total solution provider. We provide the whole package from start to finish.
The customers and clients Cameron has, they come here for the quality, and that's what keeps them coming back.
We don't want to just give them a good product. We want to give them a product that's above and beyond what they expected.
We are always striving to do what they want in the time they want it and give them the best possible product so that they will come back to us and order more.
On occasion, we get competitors' parts in here. I always like to look at the welds they do or how things are machined, and it becomes very obvious that there's a difference in the quality level.
It's an employee-owned company. By coming to work every day doing the best you can, you're not just working for the company, you're working for yourself.
The company is an ESOP, employee stock ownership. Each year, the company gets valued based on a certain formula. The employees are issued Cameron shares of stock, and those shares are kept in a personal retirement account. It's very unique, especially to the area.
Allows people to have a focus that when they do the right things and make the right decisions, they get a reward back in an increased share value. Where companies that don't have ESOPs, everybody might be doing their best, but they don't get to reap the reward after.
The employees own stock in the company.
As long as the company grows, my shares grow.
It's like a savings account that I don't have to put money into. I just have to come to work and it keeps growing.
With the employee stock option, you have a guarantee. You put your hard work in, the company prospers, that money goes into your account. You can control how it ends up when you retire.
We can impact the value of our company by making the right decisions, making sure the company is thriving and doing as good as it can to make us as valuable as possible.
Everybody is involved, and we all know that if we work hard, our share value and everything can increase. The employee meetings are really nice to just give an update to the employees throughout the year as to how things are going, or if we need to improve in this area, how we're going to try and do it. It's just nice to be able to have that interaction with everybody.
Having it owned by the employees makes it a family.
It's a great family atmosphere.
We started as a family-owned business. We try to keep that mentality.
We act like a family. We look out for each other. We try to help each other out and do the best we can in everything we do.
We all care about each other, both at work and off work.
It's a wonderful place to work. Most of us know each other's kids.
People get together outside of work. We have company functions that get very good turnouts.
It's really a nice annual tradition to have the families come in for the picnic. We bring in food and we bring in games. We bring in bounce houses for the kids.
It's such more of a relaxed setting, and it's nice to get to see people and interact with them outside of your normal day-to-day.
Cameron offers the opportunity to do something different every day. Our employees are innovative, they're hands-on, they're problem solvers, and they work hard.
We have some of the best talent in the area working for us, and I think people want to come to work for Cameron so they can be a part of a great organization.
The experience and the wide variety of materials and processes that they get to experience here, there's just no comparison.
Cameron it's a really great company to work for, and the benefits are phenomenal.
And people want to come here and be part of this organization and help it grow.
The jobs are here. You can start off as a shop hand and work yourself up to a manager position.
My two sons now work at Cameron, and they were janitors when they came here. Now I have a boy that's practically second in line to run shipping. There's lots of opportunities if you're willing to learn.
We're all on a team. We're all striving for one goal, to get the job out as soon as possible, as high as quality as possible.
We all strive to do the best. We take a lot of pride in our work. We have been growing since the day we started.
We grew because we did did good work.
If we all look out for each other and we work together as a team, the sky's the limit. There's nothing that we can't do here. Cameron is my company.
Cameron is my company.
Cameron is my company.
Cameron is my company.
Welcome to our